Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2024 video tutorial. I call this exercise a simple stand. Why? Because it looks like a stand and it's kind of easy to do. So let's have fun with Inventor. First I want to define some user parameters. So let's go for add numeric, and the first one would be the stand length, and this should be maybe 200 millimeter. Another one would be the stand diameter, and that length could be 30 millimeter. And the last one would be the wire diameter, and there I want to go for 1 millimeter. And I'm done for these. Now let's start with a sketch. I can do it with a helix, or I can use 2 sweeps. Maybe I go for a sweep. So I need at least a line. So go for start, and I need a revolve as well. So let's put a line right there, like this. Give it a dimension, and this should be, of course, the stand length. So go for list parameters, go for stand length, and confirm. Okay, I want this to be a center line. Great. Then I need a point. Put it right there. Align it horizontal with the origin. Add a dimension, and that distance should be the stand diameter divided by 2. So go for list parameters, choose the stand diameter divided by 2 and enter. I want to go for a spline. So where's my spline? There you go. Go for interpolation, yes. And it should start, of course, here. Then go maybe like this, then over up here, and back up. Maybe adjust those points a little bit, maybe like this. Not the complete one, just that point. Yeah. And yeah, those 2 points should be aligned, so go for horizontal. Align like this. Come on. So it must be already there, that's okay. And move this maybe like that. Yeah, looks okay. Finish that sketch. Let's put a work point right there, just in case I need it later on. Now I can do a revolve. So go for revolve. It should be a surface, yes. The profile would be that spline here. And the axis is recognized, 360 degrees, and confirm. And let's extend this a little bit. So where is it? Extend. I want to extend it in that direction. Yes, maybe 5 millimeter. And same on the other side. here again 5 mm. Now make this surface not translucent, make it solid like this. And for the moment I want to hide it. Now I could use a helix or a sweep. To show you something different, I want to use a sweep. So I will need a line, so let's go for a 2D sketch on the XY plane. And a line, and the length should be, of course, the Stent length. Okay. Finish this sketch. Now another sketch on the same plane, and I need another line, and that length could be or should be long enough, and that would be the Stent diameter times 2. Finish that sketch as well. And now I can do a sweep. So I want to sweep this line here along that line, and I want to make 10 twists, 10 turns, which means 360 degrees. And I want to go for a single selection optimization. Now let's show the first surface. Now I could try to trim, or I could go for an intersection curve. So let's go for an intersection curve. Therefore I will need a 3D sketch and intersection curve between this surface and of course that surface here. And confirm. Should give me that line, and we will see if we can use it. So let's finish that sketch and hide those two surfaces. Now I need another 2D sketch. I go for the XY plane, and I need that point. So go project geometry. You could use that work point if you want. Where is it? There you go. And let's put a circle right there. And that diameter would be, of course, the wire diameter. And again, finish that sketch. Now let's see if we can do a sweep all along. I want to do a sweep, and I need that circle here, this one here, and it should go along that path. Let's see if we can go up. Yes, that's great, and confirm. But I don't want a surface, so let's undo that. I want to have a part, a solid. Let's go for the sweep, select again that circle, but I want a solid. And in this case I don't want to twist it, and select that curve here and confirm. Yeah, that's more like it. Great. Now I need two offset surfaces. From the first one, that would be this one, so make it visible. And let's go for an offset surface, which is here. It should be a surface, and the face would be this one here. Distance should be, let's check if this is to the outside or inside, or check it later on, doesn't matter. So this would be a formula, and I need the wire diameter divided by 4. So go for list parameters, select the wire diameter and divide it by 4. Yeah. So that's this surface, and I need one to the other side. So go again for another offset, maybe hide this one, and go for another offset, this one here, now to the other side, same distance, and confirm. Hide the original one, and let's take a look at our solid. So this should be the outer one. Let's go for a split. Activate the solid mode. The tool would be the surface, and I want to, let's zoom in a little bit. So I want to remove this side. So let's see what happens. Is there, that looks okay. No, it's the other way around. I should have gone for that arrow, which is somewhere. Yeah, there you go. So let's go to this option and confirm. Hide that surface. Bring back this surface. Now do the same again. Go for split. It's a solid mode, yes. The tool is this one, and the solid is of course that one, and now it should be maybe this option. Where's the arrow? Yes, this looks okay. So let's confirm. Yep, and now hide that surface as well. Now I want to mirror this if possible, and then make a circular pattern. So let's go for mirror. I want to mirror the solid, and I want to go for a new one just in case. And the mirror plane would be, let's go for the YX plane, XY plane, this one here, and confirm. I went for 2 bodies because, again, with the values of precision and tolerances, it might cause problems. And now I want to make a circular pattern. So go for the circular pattern. I want to pattern the bodies, the solids, and I want to make new ones, and the solids are this one and that one, and the rotation axis would be the y-axis, and I want to go for 8 instances, 360 degrees, and confirm. Might take a while, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.